Hello everyone and good morning. Welcome back to our Introduction to Python series. This is the final video of the second unit. In the last video we introduced the while loop, and in this one it's all about getting into the for loop. And after this, I'll let you guys know what your programming assignment for this unit is. But you should have all your quizzes done for the unit, so that's positive for you guys. And then how you guys want to attack the chapter programming assignment, that is up to you. So whatever you guys want to do, I'm fine with that. And I'll let you guys know about that assignment later. But for now, I need to get into introducing the for loop. So we have a string here. Just called it hey. And then here we have our accumulator variable. And this will accumulate throughout this for loop. So this is the syntax for a for loop. It's different than in Java and C. It's for x in string. Now this string is an iterable variable. This C over here, this is an accumulator variable, but this is an iterable variable because it's going to iterate every single time. First time it's going to go through H, the second time it's going to go through E, and then it's going to go through Y, and then it's going to go through the exclamation point. That's how the for loop will know when to stop. It's going to iterate through whatever you have to iterate through. In this case, hey. It's going to iterate through it, and then when it's done, that's when you're going to stop. So I set a variable z equal to x plus an exclamation point. Now x, that's kind of what your instance variable is going to be for every single time you run through this for loop. It's going to, the first time it's going to be the h, the second time it's going to be the e. So that's going to be, x is going to hold that value every single time, while string is just going to be iterated through. So string will have all of this, but x will be the one that's actually iterating through it. But here I'm basically adding an exclamation point every single time we go through it, and then I'm printing it. And then I'm adding my accumulator variable. So essentially if I run this, it's going to give me the H, the E, the Y, and then the exclamation point. And similarly, if I change this to hello, it will give me 6 lines. H, E, L, L, O, exclamation point. And all of them will have exclamation points out on them. Now this could, I don't necessarily need this exclamation point here. I can print whatever I want. Like I can print x plus, and then I could add a question mark onto it, and it would still work like that. So that's kind of just the general approach to a for loop. Now, that's really all I need to say about the for loop, but for this programming assignment, you can really use whatever method you feel is most advantageous to you. Now, your programming assignment for this unit is you're going to program a coin flip game. In this coin flip game, you're going to want to flip a coin 1,000 times, and you're going to have 2 variables for winning and losing. And you're going to want to run some kind of code with a for loop or a while loop or whatever you feel comfortable with. You're going to design code, and you're going to simulate 1,000 coin flips, and you're going to say, you're going to give the percent of games that you won for every single time. Now this should differ for every single time you run through it. It should not be the same value that is printed out. So when I run the code, I should be getting a percent over here on the right. I should be getting a percent every single time. So the first time it could be 53%, and then it could be 45%. So I want that percent printed. Maybe like print, and then the percent of games I won is, and then a colon, and then that percent. So that's kind of what the next assignment is going to be. But that is really all I have for this video. I'll let you guys get started on that little program assignment there, and that is all. So I will see you guys, not in the next one, but I will be gone forever. Alright, bye guys.